it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.
Looks like a turkey.
Yeah, they kind of look like big turkeys, don't they?
Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
While she's flying, because she might fly right over your heads, and feel free to take pictures and videos, but try to keep your phones below head level so we don't have any collisions today. But this is my friend Rosa, and Rosa is a female Aplomado Falcon. Yes, okay, she's very ready.